So, good evening, students. On behalf of Velamal Bodhi Campus, we invite you all for this live session. Actually, our Velamal Bodhi Campus, we provide students both online support and offline support. The student, whomever is willing to take part in all Olympiad examination, we are giving an opportunity to practice more number of questions. So, with these records, we have a lot of orientations to many students, and we have made the things are available to all the foundation taking students, especially for grade 6 to 10, whomever is taken part this foundation course for IIT, NEET, and all other competitive examination. We have brought this platform, which is named as Vblive. So Vblive is your online tutor where you will get your support for your extra preparations. So here for Vblive, you have to type content.vblive.co. So there I am giving in the chat box. So if you get into this website and you will get our Vblive online tutor, I have given in the chat box. You can take this content through chat box. If you click this link, you will land there. So in this regards, we will be taking you to the next level where all the content for your foundation preparation, it is given to you. So first thing, you have to get inside and use login button. So once you are given login button, your school is provided with one ID and one password. So you have to type your ID and you have to type your password so that you will be getting a login credential from your school head or your foundation in charge, and that ID password can be used to login. Once you click login button, you will be getting the left hand side. There is a button called Site Home. So when you click Site Home button, then from that bottom, you will be getting a tab called Foundation. So when you click this Foundation tab, then you are given three parts. Part 1 is called Foundation Test Series. Part 2 is called Foundation Practice. And part 3 is called Olympiad Games. So these three parts you will be getting, but currently you are given Foundation Practice. This Foundation Test Series you will get means once your school starts for the next academic year, means from the April month you will get this test series. Every month the student will be given one foundation when all your syllabus is coming to normal. That means every school is going to the same syllabus. You are given like your foundation series test. Now foundation practice, if you click there, you will get all your classes. So grade 6 foundation, 7th foundation, 8th foundation, 9th, 10th alone, you will be getting individual subjects. For example, 9th physics, 9th chemistry, 9th biology, 9th social. Likewise, 10th maths, 10th chemistry, 10th biology, 10th social. So this way we have given you the content. For example, let us go to one sample of 8th standard. When you click 8th standard, then here you are given all the chapters which you will take practice. It is not only your NCRT, all the Olympiad examination questions also you can practice here. So this is all about your question practice. For example, let us take mathematics. When I click mathematics, then it would ask you attempt quiz. Then you click attempt quiz. There you will get all your questions. So this is the questions you will be getting. So these questions will be given to you. You have to take different variety of questions given like match type, like critical thinking, creative thinking, diagram-based questions, numeric-based questions, then assess and reason questions. It means all the variety of questions you will be getting it here. So when you take these questions, you can take these questions, answer, and you can check. For example, suppose if I click one and two, these two questions I am answering, I am giving finish attempt. Once I complete this one, at the bottom, I will be getting submit all and finish. So when you click this one, it would ask you the confirmation. After the confirmation, you will see how many questions you are correct. So here two questions I have chosen. Both the questions are right for me. So therefore I have got it. This is my correct. So I have got for two questions, it is correct. Then you will see at the bottom whether that answer, whatever you have given is right or wrong. If it is wrong, which is the correct option. So that way you will be getting all the questions which you're supposed to solve. That practice, you can do it here. So when you complete this practice, you can go with different variety of exercise here. For example, I am going to the same grade 8 foundation. So here I told that the lessons are there for subject wise. So this is math, this is physics, this is chemistry and biology. And bottom you can see the summary video of your foundation. Summary video means here you will be getting the total NCERT lesson. For example, let us take cubes and cube roots. So the total NCERT lesson of cube and cube root is made in 20 minutes. So here we are giving in 20 minutes, you can get this video so that you will be understanding the total lessons. So here we are giving you. So you will be getting all these videos. It is at the bottom. For all the science and maths, you will be getting the videos. So videos are available here. So you can take, these are the math videos and these are the science videos. So all the lessons you will be getting video and all the lessons you will be getting the exercise. So this way your foundation level will be increased for preparing your IIT, NEET, SAT, CLAT, all those competitive level examination. You will be getting a kind of question pattern and models and all the videos, you can use it. So this is for the foundation level. So in foundation level, we are giving you currently, if now what we are giving is, we are giving every lesson exercise plus every lessons videos so that you can go in-depth learning of your foundation preparation. Apart from that, here we have, if you are going to the higher classes, for example, I will take you to a little bit higher grade. So in this higher grade, we will be taking, for example, let me take you to physics 10th standard. Now in physics 10th standard, this is the lesson, light lesson. In light lesson, we are giving one ebook. So this is not for every class, only for the higher classes. So here the child can get more book exercise. So there they can get Vblive books in electronic form. And then also they are given a kind of lessons like we will be taking, suppose I-ray. So here you will be getting a simulation. In this, the child can learn how these different versions of eyesight is explained here. For example, this is nearsighted, this is far-sighted. So here they will be doing analysis. Suppose the object is moving closer, what will happen to the retina? And this way, the child will understand the object position. They will understand the focal length and focus. So here we are changing the thickness of the lens. And also the child wants to know what is a normal vision. So when they are taking this normal vision, how do they keep their object, in what distance they will get that rightly falling on the retina. Also, they want to understand the overlay of eye. Then they will see that in the lens, how the eye is visible here. So this way, we are giving some kind of explanation to the student. They will interactive way, they will understand the concept. For example, now they are changing the position of the object. Now they can see that it is not falling on the retina, it is falling between the lens and retina. So when they are making it is falling on the retina, this is normal vision. When they are changing, it will be either nearsightedness or farsighted. So that way the child will be understanding in the ray diagram for exam point of view and in-depth understanding of what exactly is happening. So this way, but it is not available for grade lower grades, only for the higher grades we had given. In higher grades, one more thing we have given, suppose if they are going to write foundation in the number system, there are 4 levels. The child has to complete level 1 with at least some 80 marks. Once they take 80 marks, then only they will be moving to the next levels. So therefore, here there are 4 levels. All the 4 levels they cannot take because it is locked. Once they score 80 marks, then only the level 2 will lock. But you can attempt n number of times to take the test and you will get the solution and the key and you can go to the next level. So this way you will be given different levels. If you are taking 3rd level, then you are thorough in number system. That way for every lesson we have given, so this is the math part. And suppose if you go to like science, let us see how the science you will be taking. So you have to understand that in every level, here we are giving physics, chemistry, biology when you are going to the higher classes. Let me take 9th standard biology. In 9th standard biology also, we have given different levels. So every chapter is given in different levels. So one level is completed, then only you can go to the next levels. So therefore, they will be getting more ideas, more model questions, so that they will be studying thoroughly the concept so that they can reach to the highest level. And especially for the math competency, in math competency, it's a kind of things. Especially many children, they say that it is very difficult mathematics after this pandemic situation. Everybody is finding difficulty in mathematics. So therefore, here we had given different levels. Levels means, suppose if you don't know LCM, you can go to grade 3. If you don't know HCF, you can go to grade 5. If you don't know a circle, you can go to grade 6. That means all the classes lessons are available in single platform, so that you will be understanding any concept. If you want to learn, you can come to here and you can learn. For example, you forget that how to do integers, division integers. Suppose if you click multiplication and division integers, there you will get only multiplication and division, but you belongs to 8th standard or 9th standard. But you have to learn this basic concept. So this is the basic necessary skills which is given by CBSE. So multiplication and division practice. So when you click division of integers, then it will go to the division of integers. So in division of integers, they will understand, suppose if they are changing the array and how the number is changing, how the position is changing, how they are getting the things right away it is done. So this way, the people will be understanding how the number is changed. So that way here we have given learning strategy in that playway method so that the child will be easily understanding. They want to know, suppose multiplication of integers, they can go to multiplication of integers and there they will understand. For example, new number I'm giving, it is -2, -1 plus 2. This is 5 and -3. So now they are asking that leaves 5 and the width -3. So that means here this frog, how they are going to move and how they will subtract, how they will add. In playway method, they will be keeping and they will be getting whether the given sum is right or wrong. So in playway method, they can learn more and more numbers so that they will be understanding the concept very well. It is not that 6th standard students, 7th standard students. For all the standard student, we have given this math competency. So you can go to any grade. If you want to go to class 3, if you want to class 4, class 5, class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9, class 10. All the classes are in single page. So therefore, any concept, if you're not understanding, if you are finding difficulties, you can make use of this platform and you can learn mathematics. So this will be very easy way to understand your mathematics and you can make very thorough concepts so that you will score more and more marks. So my dear students, this way all the class grade 6 to 10 foundation classes are given to the respective class children. Uh, Already the ID password is shared with your teachers or your principal. You can collect from them and you can use. So once you start using this one, so when we will start this foundation test series and then Olympiad, we will let you know the next part. For example, Olympiad means it is a type of game. So for example, suppose if we go to one Olympiad, here the children will be understanding how this Olympiad is conducting. For example, here is one question. Now, a child is not able to do, or if they are doing committed mistakes, they will be taken to the next levels. For example, I will take one video. So now here I am going to play that video. So this video, you will be understanding how the Olympiad is conducted in Velamal. So in this video, you have to watch carefully what concept is told in the video. So now one question is coming up. So the child has to answer the question. So when they will answer the question, then only they can go to the next. So this is different quiz. Here you will be seeing the questions are on the left hand side and the right hand side is there. Suppose if they are finding one answer, for example, I am taking enzyme. So the enzyme is the second question. I have found the answer. So within 2 minutes, they have to find all these answers. So this way, they are given more number of game type Olympiad examinations. So if it is not for single students, it's a group Olympiad, but this all will happen from the month of April. And these are all the trailers we are showing to you. So when you will come to your next class, you will be given this kind. So how level, which level, and for example, how here it is given that metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Now the child has to bring silicon. So silicon is metalloid, and zinc is metal, and like that, oxygen is non-metal. So now they have to do all this and they have to submit it. So once everything is correct, then you are not good at elements. That means elements, I didn't place all the elements, so therefore I didn't get any score. So this way you will be given a kind of Olympiad examinations, but it is from your April month. So these are all the foundation things we are going to support online to all the foundation students. So my dear students, it is initial stage. Today, whatever I have shown you, it is an example. You are given ID password, you work. If you find any difficulties, reach your teachers. We'll take one more orientation where you will get adequate support. So with this, I will close my explanation.